1957 3100 truck. This is probably one of the nicest looking old fixed up trucks that I've seen. This is a street rod here. Has a ls1 with a 4L60E transmission and 9-inch Ford rear end. This truck was built right, and it sold for $52,000. I mean, look, it's impeccable. This truck was built, restored correct. If you look on eBay, sometimes you can find full Corvette chassis with everything but the body for like $5,000. Look at the interior on this thing. This truck is insane. We did not buy this. I mean, we didn't buy this or build this, so whoever built this truck, I mean, all credit goes to them. They did an excellent job. I've noticed that the ones that bring the big money, even on the rat rod style, the interiors are super clean and original, and then the outsides, they leave them a little rusted.